Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Skool. So let me take you to the website, which is skool.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Skool is an all-in-one community platform designed for creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs to build online groups, courses, and memberships. It combines features like discussion forum, event scheduling, and gamification to boost engagement and learning. With Skool, you can grow your community, share knowledge, and monetize your expertise in a single place. So, what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all these amazing communities, or create your own by clicking on Create Your Own option from here. But that's not exactly why we're here. Unless you want to build your own community, there's a different story. We are rather here to earn money from Skool. Possible? Why not? As usual, we have to join their affiliate program, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? Mostly from all the countries out there except for a few countries, and we'll talk about these countries later. But most of the countries are included, so don't you worry. To the consumer of which country can you promote Skool in order to receive commission? Whenever Skool is available, wherever they provide their platform, their services, you can promote them to the consumer of that country and you could end up getting commission. And they are mostly available to most of the country's consumers. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the photo section and click on affiliates. It will take you to the affiliate program page of Skool. Over here, you can see on 40% of recurring revenue. That's awesome. That means whatever sales you bring to them, you will get 40%, and that is for the lifetime. How exactly it works, you share your referral link, somebody signs up using that link, and you earn 40% commission on the sale amount. And your group earns money automatically, get free training on how to promote it as well. So these are some of the features of Skool affiliate program. How do you sign up for their affiliate program? You can simply click on become an affiliate. Over here, you can enter your first name, last name, email, and password. By the way, this is not an affiliate account you're creating, but rather a Skool account. But the process is simply just the same. And in case if you already have a Skool account, you simply click on login and enter your credential. But in our case, let's go with the sign up. Now, all the information I'm going to write here, there will be dummy just for the educational purpose, but whatever information you write, ensure it should be accurate. So I'll start with my first name, but it's John, last name LNU, email address. I'm going to enter mine. Ensure you enter your first name, last name, email address, followed by a strong password. Thereafter, you can click on sign up. It will create your account and it will also send a code to your given email address. So let me grab that code of mine and I'm going to enter it here. After entering your verification code, you can simply click on next. It will process the verification code and will take you further to the next step. It will ask you to complete your profile, where you have to upload your profile pic. So I'm gonna upload mine. In your case as well, you can upload a profile pic, but as I mentioned, most information I'm gonna write here, that will be dummy. Same goes for the bio, so you can also update your bio in here, followed by click on complete. When you do that, your profile just got created, and as you can see here, you are already on the affiliate section. Once here, the first thing you want to do is click on profile. It will take you to the section. Whatever information you have added, you will see it in here. You can also click on social links and add your social links. You might want to enter your website, Instagram, X, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook URL in here if you like. But let's say you're only interested in promoting Skool to your consumer to audience. Simply click on affiliates. Once here, you can copy this URL. Now, this is a tracking URL that is only associated to you. So ensure you're promoting Skool using this URL only. Do not directly take any other URL from their website. If you do, it won't generate any performance in here and hence you won't receive any commission. So copy this URL and this is a URL that you can share with your audience, with your traffic. The next question arises, where can you promote Skool? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One is website. So you got a website, you can promote them on your homepage, on your category page, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Second way is blog. You could write blog posts about different communities available on Skool, maybe your own community or someone else's community, and put your tracking link somewhere on your blog post. So this way, when people would find different communities out there, along with that, they see a link, they click on the link, and if they end up bringing sales to Skool by signing up to any of those communities, you would end up receiving commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be good here as well. You could create videos or reels or stories or maybe just a post and put your tracking link of school either in the description or the comment section. So this way, when people would go through your content and if they like school content, any community on school, they can simply click on those links of yours and end up signing up for school or maybe any community for school by paying some amount to join that community. So this will result into getting your commission. Fourth way is business services website. Now, assume as an affiliate you got such a website available. So you might want to create a community section maybe on your website. So this way, when people would click on community, they would be able to explore different communities out there. Especially these communities would be on school, and you might want to integrate your tracking link along with those communities. This way, when people would click on your link and if they sign up for those communities after paying some amount, it will result into sales for school and hence you getting commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. What about your performance? Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the dashboard once again. Over here, you would be able to see the dollar amount in last 30 days. This is the commission amount, by the way, the commission amount lifetime and the commission amount that is available for you to take it out. And if you scroll down over here, you would be able to see your referrals. And to update your payment method so that you start getting this commission, you can click on payouts. And over here, simply click on this cogwheel and select the country of your residence. So this is what I was talking about. I did mention that you would be able to join school mostly from many countries except for few. So in my case, I was trying to search India in here and I could not find it. So if you try to search your country in here and if you find it, that means yes, you can be part of school affiliate program and you can start getting commission. But if you do not see your country here, that means you cannot update your banking details and hence you cannot receive commission from school. So let's say I am from United States. Just for the demo purpose, I can select United States and then I can click on continue. It will take me forward to update my banking details. And once I have updated my banking details, I can start receiving commission from school for all the sales that I have brought to them. And then there are other sections as well that you might want to explore, but these are mostly for your own communities in school. As an affiliate, only profile affiliates and payout section will be useful to you. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program or school. You sign up, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of school. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.